Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Lisette. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. And today I wanted to create a makeup look for New Year's Eve. Today is the 30th, so hopefully this goes up before tomorrow. So you guys have time to create like an eye look or something similar to what I have in mind to do. I actually wanted to try the Huda Beauty, the Gold Palette. The Gold Obsessions palette. This is my first time using this palette and I'm super excited. So for New Year's Eve, I am thinking of doing something, like I said, something gold, yellow tones. So I hope you guys have this palette or something similar that you can recreate and do the makeup look I have in mind. And yeah, as you can see, I already have most of my face on, everything. The only thing I need are my eyes and my lips, and I wanted to do that with you guys. So let me first show you this palette and how gorgeous it is. It is just beautiful tones, warm tones, and the yellow shimmers are just stunning and perfect for New Year's Eve. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my eyelids, and I'm going to be using this P.Louise Base in the shade Rumour 1. So you guys can go ahead and get any concealer or any eye primer that you guys have and are like prefer. I prefer this one because I think the color stays really nice, the shades, and it just pops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a little bit with my finger and then with the brush, just blend everything. So yes, I hope you guys can follow along. And let me know what you guys are planning to do tomorrow. What are your goals for 2021? I have a lot of plans, but you know, a lot of like goals and things I want to achieve next year for, you know, for my family, for myself. And they're also like wishes that, you know, mostly that everything goes back to normal or just a little bit better, especially with the vaccine and everything. I hope that's something that will help us all to get this pandemic over with. So praying for that, and hopefully 2021 will be a much happier and blessed year for all of us. So yeah, that's basically, you know, what I want. And from there, you know, I have personal goals and things I want to achieve. And you know, like everybody has their things, you know. One of the things I want to do is I want to get a little better with, you know, YouTube, with Instagram, and yeah, I have like, this week has been very busy for me. That's why I haven't had a chance to do this video for you guys earlier. So I'm sorry for that. Sorry, this is like a last minute video. But I actually started work, like I've been working a lot on my personal job, and yeah, it's a little tough to deal with everything, but I'm working through it. So yeah, let's get started with the shades right here. They're just, so I'm going to start with, I think this shade right here. That's a little bit like a little darker than like a starting to set my eyes, but I want to go there. I really like, ooh, this tone is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is just so pretty and pigmented. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this, and then the other eye. Just so pretty. So yeah, for tomorrow, I'm just gonna do the same thing I did on Christmas with, you know, my husband, kids, my parents, and his parents. Just a little get together and just having a little dinner. Nothing big, you know, just to be together and, you know, just yeah, just have a little dinner and just wait for 12 a.m. and the new year, and you know, just having a simple dinner. Nothing big, like no party or anything. This year is a little bit different with everything going on. So yeah, now I'm gonna go on my outer corner. I wanna go with this shade, like dark shade, and then for the all over the lid, I think I'm gonna go with this gold right here. Okay, so let me get another brush. Where's my brush? Okay, I'm gonna go in with that. Oh my gosh, I got too much. It's pigmented. Oh, okay. Let's work with this. You know, this palette, they didn't sell it in the HUDA website or like Sephora. I had to get it in Cult Beauty, which is in the UK. And I waited so long for it. Oh my gosh. Because of everything going on, you know, and it's far. But I'm so happy I got it. It's just so pretty. Oh my gosh, stunning. I actually tried the other day the Naughty palette. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I actually want to do a video with that as well. So let me go ahead and to the other eye. So I want to have this outer corner like a bit darker, so I have that contrast, you know. And then once I finish, I'm gonna go over it again so I could be like a little bit darker. But right now it's looking super nice. So I'm gonna go and get the shimmer shade, which is the yellow. This one right here. I'm gonna try to put it with a brush and then see if it actually works instead of my finger. Oh my god, yes, so pretty. It is just stunning. Oh wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna get it with the finger so it applies much better. Yeah, look at this shade. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is pigmented. I was not expecting this. Wow. And it feels so creamy and nice. Oh my gosh. This is just perfection. Okay, I'm gonna have to go over with the other color. Wow, so pretty. And for my outer corner, I'm gonna go again with that dark brownish shade to tide up everything. But wow. And the shades are like really creamy actually. It's like a creamy formula, which is like little fallout. What do you guys think so far? Right? It's just stunning. There's a little bit of glitter here, but it's okay. Got a brush and then just brush it off a little. So now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna go with the finger and then just put everything there. Wow, wow. For the inner corner highlight, I wanna go with the other shade. Oh my gosh, they're all so gorgeous. Okay, right here, this one. I can't wait to like honestly play with all the colors. It is a beauty. Tell me in the comments below what has been your favorite purchase of 2020. I think honestly, mine is probably this palette and then the other one, the HUDA Naughty palette. Oh my gosh, they're just amazing. I think this is my first time purchasing like their palette, their big pan palette. Well, yeah, because I have these little ones. I have the other colors. I think I have the green one, I'm not sure, emerald I believe, and then the blue, I think the red one also, but never like the other, like a big one, like a big palette like the Naughty. It's my first time trying that formula and wow, I am obsessed. I think I want to purchase more of their palettes. But yeah, they're so pretty. They're very pretty. I was going for a soft like gold and I did not expect this to be so pigmented, honestly. I really like it. So now I'm gonna go in the inner corner, highlight with, let me see. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. Wow, it is just so pretty. I just can't stop saying that. So now I want to do my eyeliner, and I'm going to do this cream gel liner from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Dirty Talk. This eyeliner, which is like a gold, yellow gold. Yeah. And let's see how it looks. Okay, so now I want to go with, I'm gonna go off camera and put on the lashes. I'm going to be using this from Kiss, this magnetic lashes. I'm actually waiting for this other brand called Glamnetic, I believe, for those lashes to try them. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. But in the meantime, I have these Kiss lashes, and they are, it says they're new, but I'm not sure what's the actual style. That's weird. Well, yeah, I guess it's here, Kiss Fox Minx, and it says Tease or something like that. So, and it comes with the magnetic liner, so I'm excited for that. And then we'll come back, finish the eye look, and then finish with the lips and everything. Okay guys, I'm back, and I have to tell you that these magnetic lashes are definitely not easy. In fact, I think they're harder than the glue lashes, honestly, because you have to get like the liner like perfect, and then the lashes won't stick to the magnetic. I had to cut them at the edges. Oh my gosh, it was a mission to put these lashes on. So just be careful with that, and maybe plan before doing your eye look for New Year's Eve with these lashes. And if you're not like comfortable with them, either wear the normal glue lashes, or just wear your natural lashes. Just put a lot of mascara. I put mascara on the bottom lash, and then oh my gosh, my words. I went over with this shade right here on my lower lash line as well, just to have everything ready. This is the final eye look. Now I'm going to go with my lips. I'm actually gonna wear like a nude color, since we have already like too much on the eyes. You want your eyes to be the main focus here. And I'm just gonna use this Becca lip liner, and this is in the shade Ultimate. It's an ultimate lip definer in the shade Breezy. I'm gonna line my lips. Then I'm gonna go with the Becca as well lipstick in the shade Mauve. Is the Ultimate Lipstick Love. That's what it's called. And this is the shade. It's very pretty. I thought it was gonna be actually more like nude, but it has like a little like mauve tone. It kind of goes with the eye look, so I think it's very pretty and very festive. And yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys are going to be doing for New Year's Eve. I wish you guys the best for 2021. May all your wishes come true, and hopefully it's the best year of our lives, with this whole pandemic to be over and things will be better, back to normal. And yeah, wish you guys the best on this 2021. Thank you very much for all your support during this year that I started. I am very blessed and honored to continue doing videos for you guys as long as you guys want me to. And yeah, hopefully 2021 I will come with better content, more videos, more consistent, and more fun for you guys. So I'll see you guys on my next video next year. And yeah, take care. Have a blessed celebration, and like I said, see you guys on my next video. Bye.